We look like you're about to drop someone. Yeah, there's... I don't know what to say to that dude. Make it quick. Come on. I don't have all day. Oh my god, now this guy's blocking it. Alright everyone, I'm back. And today I'm planning, I have plans with this bike actually. Oh my god, freaking turn signals. I have plans with this bike actually. Now the plans are for this bike is that I really want to get the power commander done. Now there is the ECU flash which has so much more benefits to it, but the problem with that is that, you know, you have to take off your ECU, you got to ship it to some place if there's no one around us locally around in your area. You have to send it out. And then you gotta wait for it so it comes back. If you have another ECU that you can just use, you know, that's fine too. But, you know, I use my bike every day and I don't have an extra ECU for it anyway, so yeah. So there's no way that's gonna work. So, another thing is that, another option you go with is that there's a power commander. So what are the differences between a power commander and the ECU flash? I prefer the ECU flash because it has more benefits. To be specific, is that you can control the temperature, you can get rid of all the restrictions, you can have more of a specific dyno, or you can have a more specific tune, a better tune, and everything, depending on the person who's tuning it really. Oh my god, that's close. Has more benefits really overall. But I'm going with the power commander because I don't have time to send my ECU out to anyone. And you know, I need a bike every single day. I need it. It's my daily. That was close. Maybe are you texting and driving most likely? Not only there's benefits to it, but I believe it is more expensive. It really depends, I guess. And the options you want to go with and everything. I think they're both the same. I don't know. I just don't remember exactly. Come on. Pay attention. You have a child in the back seat. You should be on your phone. I keep forgetting what I'm saying. Oh god, my voice cracked. Anyways. So you not get so close. So anyway, so it's better for me to go with the power commander because, you know, I could just easily plug it in, and then I could just easily download a map to it, and that's it. That's basically it. Now, to connect it is a lot of times it just connects to the fuel injectors wiring, basically. Sounds scary and all, but if you know what you're doing, you know, you can just go for it. Really, you know, it's easy to even download the map onto your bike or onto the power commander. You know, just go to the power commander's website, download the map, and there you go. That's it. Now, they are very specific about it. And so, what you need not to do is get so close to me. I can't even hear what you're saying. Dude, are you? Can you just go back away from me? Dude, what are you doing? Go back! Go back from me! What an idiot! Like, yeah, I know I shouldn't be paying attention, but at the same time, you shouldn't be going when the car or the person in front of you is not moving at all. People these days. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh my god, this person only has one quick light. Oh god. That's how you install a power commander and everything. But a lot of times, if you're not too sure about it, if you're not comfortable doing it, don't do it. Just do someone who's certified to do it. You know, if you're not comfortable doing it. Hey, that's a nice bike. That's a KTM. I don't remember. I've been hearing about a lot of those bikes, and they're freaking expensive. I know that for sure, but I just don't remember what they're called. Well, I want gas rewards on a bike. You know, this whole tank of gas is like $10. Literally, and somebody forgot their receipt. How much did they pay for gas? They pay nothing for gas. Who pays nothing for gas and gets a receipt? That's funny.